We're looking at tech-enhanced learning, specifically for English teachers.
Yeah.
We're focusing on a session. It's called From Substitution to Redefinition in Tech-Enhanced Learning. And it's offered by EVO. And, you might already be familiar with EVO. They've been around like a cornerstone of professional development for English teachers. And globally, too, offering these free online sessions every January and February since 2001. That's dedication.
Yeah, it's really impressive. They've just consistently provided this platform, for teachers to come together and learn, and for free, too. This year's session is particularly interesting. I think it's focusing on how you actually design and then implement these tech-enhanced tasks using the SAM model.
Well, SAMR model, right. That's the one with the 4 levels of tech integration.
Right.
Substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. I've glanced at the session materials. It seems like it takes teachers on a journey through all those levels.
Exactly, yeah. It's not just theoretical knowledge, right? It's designed to give teachers practical skills, to use technology to enhance, how they teach. It's moving beyond just replacing old tools with digital ones. It's exploring how tech can transform learning experiences.
Okay, so let's break down this session. From substitution to redefinition. Who is this session tailored for? Who should be checking this out?
Well, that's the beauty of it. It's for all English teachers, all levels, all contexts. So if you've been teaching for years or you're just starting out, high school, university, even ESP, there's something there for you.
Okay, that's great to hear. So what about outcomes? What can teachers actually do after completing this?
Well, by the end of the 5 weeks, they'll be able to analyze and create digital tasks using the SAM model, learn how to implement a variety of digital tools, including, this is interesting, some AI tools. About joining a community, passionate educators who want to use technology to enhance what they do.
All this sounds fantastic, but I have to ask the practical question. How do people sign up? What are the logistics?
Okay, so registration opens on January 6th, 2025. Remember, it's completely free.
Yes, free is always good.
So you create an account on Canvas, then you enroll in the session. You'll need the link or the enrollment code. All the details are on the EVO website.